Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make street style gobi manchurian at home. This saucy and spicy starter is a must in every kitchen's menu. Before that, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to get the latest updates. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of cauliflower florets and I have taken a saucepan, and to the saucepan I have taken 1 liter of water and I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. When the water comes to a boil, add in the cauliflower florets. The water should be very salty. Boil the cauliflower florets in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes and remove the cauliflower florets from the water. Now let's make the outer coating for the cauliflower florets. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Add water little by little to make a lump-free batter. Now I have added in the boiled cauliflower florets and I am coating the cauliflower florets with the batter. First the batter should be very thin. Then it will coat into all the crevices of the cauliflower. Now I am thickening the batter by adding 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now the cauliflower florets have been coated well. On the stove I have taken a pan and oil for deep frying. On medium flame, add in the cauliflower florets to hot oil one by one. Fry the cauliflower florets on a medium flame until they turn light brown. It will take up to 3 to 4 minutes, and after they have turned light brown, take out the cauliflower florets from the oil and increase the flame to the highest. To the piping hot oil, let's add the deep fried cauliflower florets. This is called flash frying. This is made to get a very crispy outer coating to the cauliflowers. In 1 minute, deep fry the cauliflower florets until they have a dark brown color coating. Now remove the cauliflower florets and take them into a sieve like this or onto a tissue paper or kitchen towel. You can see a crispy outer layer has formed. Now let's make the sauce for this gobi manchurian. For that I have taken a saucepan and on high flame add 1.5 tablespoons of oil to the saucepan. Remember, keep the flame on the highest. And now I have added 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped chilies and 1 large onion that is finely chopped too. Saute them for 2 minutes on high flame. I have added 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, half teaspoon of green chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of ketchup. The sauces has salt too, so remember that when you are adding the salt. If you don't have green chili sauce, red chili sauce, add in some chili powder and add a little more ketchup. Now I have added half cup of water to the sauce and 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper. As the sauce is boiling now for 1 to 2 minutes on a high flame, let's make cornflour slurry to thicken the sauce a little. For that I have taken 1 teaspoon of cornflour and 2 teaspoons of water and made a lump-free slurry. Adding the slurry to the sauce and keep stirring the sauce. Add the cornflour slurry little by little. You can see the sauce has thickened a little. Now is the good time to add in the deep fried cauliflower florets. Coat the cauliflower with the sauce well. Now switch off the flame and add in chopped spring onion greens. Serve hot with some ketchup. Saucy and spicy street style gobi manchurian is ready. I hope you will give it a try. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.